Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can improve the battery life on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So in order to maintain the battery for a little bit longer, then we can do several things on our smartphone. The first thing that we can do is disable unnecessary features. And of course, some of them might be necessary for you. It is up to personal preference. If you want to keep some of them enabled, then of course you do so. I'm just gonna show you which features can be disabled if you want to keep the battery for a little bit longer. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open the settings, and then in the settings we want to go down to location, and over here we can turn off location. This is one of the things that can drain your battery, although it might not be too much by itself. When collectively we disable several things, the improvement might be quite visible. So once we disable the location, as long as we don't need it, then we can go back, and then we can do the same with Bluetooth. So we can do that quickly by opening the quick tools, and over here we have Bluetooth. We can simply tap on it in order to disable it. Or in the settings, we can go to connected devices, and then over here we will find our devices that we have connected. We can go to connection preferences, choose Bluetooth, and then over here we can disable Bluetooth. And there we go. This is how it works as well. And we can do the same thing with Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if we once again go to the quick access to certain features, we have the Wi-Fi and mobile data over here at the top, so we can turn them on and off really quickly as well. However, we can do the same through settings, of course. So we can go to network and internet. Over here we have the Wi-Fi, so we can go to Wi-Fi, and then we can turn it off by tapping on this slider. And once we go to mobile network, we choose our network, then we can disable mobile data over here. And this is how it works as well. In addition to that, we can use the airplane mode, which disables the Wi-Fi and the mobile data as well. Now, we also have several more things that we can do on our smartphone, and another one is the usage and diagnostics. I mean, we can disable it, and we need to find security and privacy. Once we go there, we need to scroll down to find more security and privacy, and then we have usage and diagnostics. Once we go there, we have this slider, which we can turn off as well. Over here, you can read the long text about what it does. And if you find it unnecessary, then of course you can disable it like I just did. Another thing is that we can use the battery saver. So once we are in the settings, we can go to battery, and then we have the battery saver. Over here we can manually enable it. And of course, if you want to, we can enable and disable the dark mode. So if we disable the dark theme, and we enable the battery saver, we no longer have the dark theme. So it's up to you if you want to use it. But generally speaking, dark mode seems to be a little bit better for the battery. We can also once again go to the quick access and find the battery saver option as well, so we can manually turn it on or off if needed. Now let's go back to settings. Let's go back to the battery saver. We can also apply the low battery option, which is enabled when the battery is at certain percentage. By default it is 10, but we can tap at low battery and then move the slider in order to increase the percentage, and let's say we can enable the battery saver at 50% instead. And of course we can also apply the schedule. For instance, at night we can tap the schedule option in order to set the start and end of the battery saver. So that's pretty good as well, pretty good way to save some battery. Now we're gonna go to location one more time, and this time we need to go to location services, and over here we have two options. We have Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. If we are not planning on using these features, then we can turn them off, as they can also use some battery when they are enabled all the time. Of course, if you are going for scanning Wi-Fi, then you might need to re-enable this option in order to find your Wi-Fi network at home or somewhere else. But other than that, If you don't use it that often, you can just turn it off like I just did. And then we also have another option. This time we're gonna go to safety and emergency over here. And this one is, I would say, even controversial because it's really up to you and up to your preference. And if you don't like disabling this option that I'm gonna show you, then of course you don't have to do this. I'm just gonna show this option anyway, just to showcase that it is possible to do so. So in the safety and emergency, we can go to emergency SOS, and then we can turn it off. We can disable the call emergency services in order to keep the battery as well. Now, if you want to turn it back on, then over here we have the button turn on and the emergency SOS. However, this will also help you save the battery for a little bit longer. Although if you keep it on, then it won't matter that much. But of course, in this video, I'm trying to show you how to maximize the battery, the length of the battery, how long it can take. And the last option that I want to show you is apparently quite hidden because I couldn't find it in the settings categories themselves. But we can use the search settings, and then we can type devices. And once we do that, then over here we have the first option, devices. If we tap on it, then we will find scan for nearby devices. And this option as well, this option can be disabled as well if you want to keep the battery for a little bit longer. However, this might be the same case as with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. So if you have trouble with detecting some devices, and then you might need to return to these settings and turn this option back on. However, if you don't do that too often, or you are sure that you will never use it, then you can disable this option. And these are all the options in the settings of our Motorola Moto G04 and G04s that can help you extend the battery life for a little bit longer. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!